riders who want to be free and ride fast, the Sport Chief is the answer, equipped with premium components that enhance performance and style. This is a motorcycle with perfect proportions and premium finishes. The Cruiser can be personalized into the motorcycle you want, with a variety of useful and stylish accessories, such as seats, storage, and lights. The legendary air-cooled Thunderstroke 116 V-twin produces a commanding 120 feet lbs of torque through all 6 gears, giving you the power to unleash all that power through the exhaust. Design details meet modern functionality with an industry-leading 4-inch display powered by Ride Command, unlocked GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and more to enhance your riding experience. The Sport Chief is the highest-performing cruiser in the Indian motorcycle lineup, thanks to proven brand-name components such as a Fox rear shock, extended piggyback, KYB 43mm inverted front fork, and dual 4-piston Brembo calipers with 320mm semi-floating rotors. Smooth power combined with a lightweight frame and low seat makes this motorcycle accessible, even for smaller or new riders. Cruiser motorcycles are defined by powerful engines in minimal packages. They are a great choice for new riders, but still exciting for seasoned pros. The Sport Chief combines performance-enhancing features with a quarter-fairing, 6.5-inch windscreen for wind protection, and an aggressive look that makes every ride a bold statement. Thanks to a gunfighter-style single seat with higher bolstering and increased 29.5-degree lean angle, America's first motorcycle company today announced the 2025 Indian Chief lineup, introducing the Sport Chief RT and Super Chief Dark Horse, delivering superior handling and riding performance.